On count 1 of the indictment, I found you guilty of the premeditated murder of uTshegofatso Pule. On count 2 of the indictment, I find you not guilty of obstructing justice.
Kwehle inyembezi nakukhutshwa isigwebo ekhotho ephakemeko ye-Jwanisbhege. Ngemva kweminyaka emibili nenyanga kuraga icala labofakazi abali-13, ikhotho ilingile ukuhlanganisa ukuthi kuhle kwenzakalani ngomhla ka-4 kuMgwengweni ngo-2020. Ikhotho ilalele ihlangothi elinikelwe ngumzekayise Malepane indoda eyathengwa bona ibulale uTshegofatso Pule. Sikhuluma nje indoda le idosa iminyaka ema-20 ejele ngokubulala umokhabastisi uTshegofatso Pule.
The strategy was first get Malepane so that we can get through to Shoba. But then we needed witnesses to corroborate what Malepane was going to say in court. So we also extend our gratitude to those witnesses as the NPA.
Umndeni uthi kulungile konke kwanje.
I can't begin to say we're excited. News like this are not exciting ones. But we are very satisfied with the judgment. Look, Tseho is no more. It doesn't matter what happened now, the sentence, but it's no longer a suspicion, it's a fact.
There is some kind of closure. We are happy that at least the justice did take place. Although, as a family, how we wish that judgment can raise Tseho, can bring Tseho back.
I'm extremely emotional, you know, as you can see, as everybody else is, you know, that's been with us from the beginning. It is a victory. It is tears of joy, but also those of sadness, because for the very first time we can actually sit back and begin grieving and begin processing every single thing that the past 2 years has done to us.
Kulindeleke ukuthi uShoba abuyele ekhotho ngomhla ka-10 kuMrhayili lapha ayokufumana khona isigwebo sakhe.